Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to place for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated product, the Keshon 200% Density Deep Wave Lace Front Wig. This 30-inch human hair wig has caught a lot of attention, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's break down the basics. This is a 100% human hair wig, which means you're getting the real deal. No synthetic fibers here. The wig features a 13x5 HD transparent lace front, designed to be breathable and blend seamlessly with your skin tone. With a natural color and deep wave pattern, it's marketed as suitable for a variety of styling options, including middle or side parts. It also comes pre-plucked with baby hairs, offering a natural hairline look right out of the box. The cap size is standard, fitting heads around 22.5 inches with 4 combs and an adjustable band for a secure and comfortable fit. In terms of density, this wig is full at 200%, promising thick, bouncy hair with minimal shedding. Keshon claims the wig is easy to install, with no tangling and a soft texture. Now let's get into the real-world experience. When I first received this wig, I was impressed by the natural feel and healthy shine of the hair. The texture of the deep wave was rich and bouncy, and I immediately noticed how soft and tangle-free it was, even after running my fingers through it. The HD transparent lace is a game changer. It really does blend seamlessly with my skin, giving that invisible lace look. As for the fit, the adjustable band and combs make it easy to secure, and the wig stayed comfortably in place throughout the day. Styling it was a breeze, and I was able to create a clean middle part without any hassle. The pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs gave it a very natural appearance, and it felt lightweight despite the 200% density. In terms of pros, I'd say the natural texture and easy installation are huge wins. The 200% density really delivers on fullness and volume without feeling heavy or bulky. The hair also held up well throughout the day, keeping its shape without frizzing or tangling. However, no product is perfect. One downside I noticed is that the wig is quite long at 30 inches, so it may require some maintenance if you're not used to managing longer hair. It's also worth mentioning that it might not be suitable for someone looking for a low-maintenance wig. Some styling will be required to maintain that sleek, defined wave pattern. When it comes to value for money, this wig is priced higher than some synthetic alternatives, but considering it's 100% human hair and offers a full, thick look, it's definitely a solid investment. The quality of the hair and the comfort of the fit justify the price tag, especially if you're someone who wears wigs regularly and prefers a natural, long-lasting style. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of other human hair wigs on the market at different price points. For those on a budget, synthetic wigs can offer similar styles, but keep in mind that they won't have the same longevity or natural appearance. If you're after something more affordable but still quality, there are other human hair wigs with similar features, though they may lack the 200% density or the HD lace front. As for build quality, the materials used for the lace and construction are top-notch. The lace is sturdy yet breathable, and the wig feels secure and durable. I can see this wig lasting through several wears, and with proper care, the deep waves should maintain their definition. If you've interacted with Keshon's customer service, you'll find that they're quite responsive and friendly, ready to assist with any questions. This adds a nice touch, as knowing the brand is there to help boosts the overall experience. So to wrap it up, the Keshon 200% Density Deep Wave Lace Front Wig delivers on its promises. If you're looking for a natural, bouncy wig with versatility and fullness, this one checks a lot of boxes. It's ideal for those who want a high-quality human hair wig that's easy to install and gives a flawless look with minimal effort. However, if you're not a fan of long, high-maintenance styles, this might not be your best match. If this review helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more reviews like this. Your support keeps us going and helps other beauty lovers find honest content. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this wig, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.